Hello guys. It's been a long time, but this time I want to revive my YouTube account. A few days from now, I'm leaving this country and I will stay in my native country, of course, the Philippines. It's been a long time. It's more than half of my life that I'm not staying there and I'm staying in this country. But everything has what they call the end. I will not close my door, but I will come back again to this place. But for the meantime, we have plans. Of course, lahat naman ay maninibago sa pakiramdam. Staying in this place in almost or more than half of my life at biglang mapupunta tayo sa non-urbanized area. Pero ganyan talaga ang buhay. Proud lang dahil kahit papano masasabi naman natin na meron tayong naitulong sa pag-unlad ng bansang ito. Charot, hindi naman. Pag-unlad ng sarili kong bulsa. Well, ganyan talaga ang buhay. Lahat naman ay may hangganan. Pero hindi ko nahintayin yung hangganan na dito na ako magtatapos. I'm still having my plans. Kaya gusto kong mag-settle down, for good, para naman makapagsimula ulit whatever I have, whatever left. Ito yung mga dati kong makakakilala. Siguro hindi nila ako makakalimutan. Ganda pa naman yung buwan. Ito ang entrance na lagi natin maalala. Siyempre, yung tunog na yan, bawat umaga at hapon, at mga kasamahan na makukulit, na ang lalaki. So, not entering for the moment. So, unfortunately, today has a small smudge outside. What do you call it? Smudge or fogs? Or it is not a sandstorm also because a while ago I went there in that area to eat my lunch. But there is no such dust around. Maybe it's fogs. But noontime fogs, the time now is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, I'll be missing this place, but don't worry. Maybe I will be back someday. Ito ang office namin. From this window, makikita rito kung hindi lang mausok sa labas. Makikita dito ang Riyadh Gallery. At yung sikat na CAFD na tinatawag. Pero hindi makikita ngayon. I will try to have a good shot someday. Ito yung Riyadh Gallery. Ito yung parking. Tingnan nyo siya. Yan yung ito yung babaan ng mga gamit. Kung mall ito yung tinatawag na unloading point. And doon ang entrance na isa at meron ding entrance ito sa King Fahd Road. At the moment, marami nang nakapark, so magsisimula kasi ang mall time after prayer. This is sales section. Isa din na mamimiss natin ay yung bar. Kung saan dito tayo laging kumakain ng lunch, nagkakape. And cooling booth, but I'm not using that oftenly. At syempre, ang ating paboritong lugar, yung ating lugar kung saan tayo nakaupo araw-araw. Okay, welcome to my vlogs. And by the way, hindi ito ang costume namin pero winter ngayon and malamig at Sabado, so I can wear whatever I want. May multa pa pero kung ako para namang tigas, hindi masyado akong sumusunod sa patakaran and nobody cares naman. So hanggang dito muna. I'm trying my best to have more videos in the near future.